Welcome back to Little Maple English. I'm your teacher, Joanne. For today's lesson, we're going to learn about nouns. Remember last class we talked about 8 parts of speech and how I emphasize the importance of nouns? So today we're going to get into it in more detail. So there are different types of nouns. Today we're going to start off with what common nouns are. A common noun is a general name for people like teacher, places like city, animals like puppy, things like book, or ideas like dream. These are the type of common nouns that you will see in English vocabulary. So words like happiness, teacher, house, pencil, dog are all part of common nouns. So next off, we're going to talk about what proper nouns are. A proper noun is a name used for a specific individual. So it could be a name of a person, a place, a name of a place, or organization, a name of a group. It is spelled with a capital letter. So let's brainstorm some proper nouns. So these are the proper noun vocabularies that you'll see in English. For example, Thanksgiving, Canada, White House, Mr. Smith, and December. So, let me give you an example of a person. Leah is a girl. Girl is a common noun. Leah is her name. The name Leah is a proper noun. Animal. Think of some different animals, like cat, dog, and fish. The name of your pet is a proper noun. Thing. Chair, banana, and hat. These are common nouns. The proper noun of a book is its title. So what is your favorite book? Place. School is a place. It is a common noun. The special name given to a school is a proper noun. So what is the name of your school? Or what is the name of your workplace? That's it for today. Please subscribe. See you next class. Bye-bye.